Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stake in KuCoin. First, navigate to the Earn section on the KuCoin platform. Here, you'll find various options like staking or KuCoin Earn. Staking allows you to grow your crypto assets by locking them up for a period, earning rewards in return. It's a great way to make your digital assets work for you passively. Once on the KuCoin Earn page, look for the Staking tab. You'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies and their estimated annual percentage rates, or APRA. Take your time to review the different projects. You can filter by specific coins or by the duration of the staking period, helping you find the best fit for your investment goals. After selecting a staking product, carefully read the terms and conditions, including the lockup period and reward distribution. Then, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to stake. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your main or trading account. Once you confirm your order, your assets will be staked, and you'll start earning rewards according to the specified APRA. You can easily monitor your staked assets and accumulated rewards within your KuCoin account, usually under the Earn or Staking section. For flexible staking, you can unstake at any time. For fixed terms, your assets will be released after the period ends. Rewards are generally distributed directly to your account, allowing you to compound or withdraw them as desired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.